I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy.
Welcome back to another bungalow project. Today's project is knocking this porch down and then going up the floor. First things first, cut the roof out of the way. With all the tools we've got necessary. What we've got: reciprocating saw, hammer, bolster, with lot. Go for it, Joe. Action. That last one you got to be careful of, because that's going to collapse and trap your blade. Oh dear. Right, another one.
Big on, man. Careful.
Yeah,
get a new blade here.
Yeah.
You've got to run it out, haven't you?
Let's get run it.
Run it.
Ooh. Had the weight, I think it's got the weight on it. New blade required.
They get ruined real quick.
Do they?
Yeah.
I bought a new pack of mine. It's got weight on it now, John.
This you'll have to go for it at a different angle.
I don't think you can cut the rest. It's gonna get
No,
fine.
we can see what we can do. Jack it up.
Well, I said that, but it's just a pain in the ass.
Well,
Then you have to knock that.
taking about.
You have to get that jack out of the way, don't you?
You put a piece of timber there.
Yeah, then you have to knock it out of the way though, and we have to cut a bit of timber.
Yeah, you can't cut it with that. It's the weight's in it, isn't it?
It'll be fine. I'll have a go.
It snatches.
No, you get through quick.
Yeah.
You just have to, wouldn't you? Doing that one,
Well,
that blade's no good for that.
oh, okay.
It's too short.
I want to put some timbers under and jack it up.
They'll start resting on these, won't they?
Yeah, it is. That's what I mean. It's trapping your blade.
That's fine.
Go look down.
What you mate? Power through.
Be careful, go on then. Unless you cut a triangle out and hit it. Unless you go there.
That's just coming out, Joe. That one. You don't have to cut that one.
There's a weight on it.
That's just coming out.
Is that coming out?
Also, I don't know.
Hang on. Is that coming out?
It can. It will do.
Battery.
Careful, it's snatching.
Yeah.
Done?
I think it's fair enough, yeah. It's conscious of this bit of glass.
Yeah. What about the jack it up with some timbers and cut the last one and then put the timbers there, won't it go?
Could do, but I don't know if we've got any the right length. I don't want to start cutting any.
No. Right, I bet you can do that.
Maybe, yeah.
We cut a triangle out of it.
Last little bit. Yeah, I think that'll do.
Alright, one either side. Hit both sides at the same time, or what?
I don't know.
I think, Joel, hit
Get rid of that one first.
Get that out.
Do you reckon?
Really?
Hit it out that way, and it'll all go like that.
Yeah, that could work.
You can still break the fences though.
Hey?
No,
Won't break the fence.
well, we've
No,
got
so I
some
think
panels down there, haven't
that's good.
That's
Sitting on
good.
the wall there, like, it's not going to go.
we? Yeah.
Well,
Look
we're
at
on our
there's
way,
glass up there, you know that, right? Other end now.
Yeah, if I'm going to go past. Fucking hell, what? Do both at the same time. So I've got to walk past now. It could go.
Walk past
You need the sledgehammer for that one, George. That one's not broke. Drop me a hammer. Drop me a hammer.
You what?
Oh, don't worry, just do
Go
it.
on, hit it.
Can you reach the next one from
He
there?
probably won't even come down.
Can you reach the next one from there? Careful, Dad. There's all glass. Yeah.
That's one gone.
You filming?
Now I've got to reach across.
Yeah, go on if you can. Just swing it wide. That's it. Why are you doing that, Dad? You're not going to be able to touch the roof.
That was out.
Yeah, pull that out of my hand.
It's that last one, isn't it, in there? Fucking hell, how'd you get to that one though?
Hang on, let me do it.
Okay, George. You're wearing gloves, Dad? That is precarious.
Always wear safety gloves and safety equipment and PPE on jobs like this. Stand back. You going to put some felt on here?
What?
I thought you were going to put some insulation felt on.
Yeah, really good.
Oh.
Just so much of it.
I reckon it won't even come down again. After all this.
Well, what are you on about? That is going to go. It's on that middle one, isn't it?
Yeah, they've got glass there.
Just fucking launch the hammer, right? Dad.
I wouldn't.
There's
There's glass in there as well, you idiot.
Yeah, I can't do it, I need goggles. You need a proper face shield really on there.
I'll go around the other side as well.
Yeah, that collapse is gone. Don't go under it.
Don't go under it.
What angle then? What angle?
Well,
Tell
you
me
are.
an angle that I can go at.
What you can do,
Yeah.
that's it, get the glass out.
That's it, look at that, I'll get in there.
That's fucking dangerous there.
Look at well, just, it can't even hit you. You stand there, you can't even hit you. Just
Joe,
automatically, right?
you're going to get your safety glasses on, I think. That's it, pull that one out. Oh, one gone.
Yeah.
That's the last one.
Do you want to hit it in instead?
Pull it out of my hand.
Don't like that bit.
Do you want to hit it in instead, George?
Huh?
Do you want to hit that in instead? Yeah, go on, go for it.
Get that glass out. That's gone. Well done, boy. That's the porch down.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
It's down, the porch is down. Well, we got it on camera. Well, that's it. Let's survey the area. Well, mate, it's gone. Right.
I didn't want to be in the fucking.
Right, let's get that out and put it on the skip. Put it on the lawn over there, put it on the grass.
Don't know, you're my phone.
They all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns. For all time they deserve.
I can't do too much. I'll leave it. I ain't got my gloves. It's my excuse. I'm supervising.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but
No, you're okay on your health and safety, mate. Right, we're getting there. Knackered, hard work, but we're getting there. Porch's nearly gone. And I've got to go up the floor.
how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the
Skip in the barrel. So by knocking this porch down, it gives us a load of space at the front here. This doors will be blocked up, bricked up, and then the other doors will be moved further to the back of the property for the main front door. So We've got to get these bricks in the skip and get the breaker out and go up the concrete floor. Then time for a pint, I do believe. Now look at the space we've created here. There's so much more space here now. The lovely open sidewalk down to the front door, which will be further down the back there. Just got to clear up and gun this floor up. So that's most of the porch down now. We've just got to get the concrete breaker out and smash the base away. The skip's full now, so we're going to have to pretty much have a little tidy up, put some bits and bobs away, break this concrete up. I think we'll have to wait for the next skip now. McDonald's is on the way, so it's all good, hopefully. That's the main bit of the porch down and in the skip. We're waiting on the new skip for Monday, I think, or the weekend. Now it's for the concrete breaker out to get rid of this concrete bases, slab, clear all this up, see if we can get some more clear, and then we're done. Good news is it looks like it's below half ground. So when we smash that up, it'll be lower than half, so that'll do us a favour. It's really, really opened up the space to the side of the house now, so I'm well pleased with that. So let's get the breaker out now and have a little go. Oh, that's delivery, just walking off with a Mackie D's. Do what you want. Right, quick bit of lunch, Mackie D's. Quarter pound of cheese, fries and a strawberry milkshake. Then we're back on the job. It's getting a bit cold, so you've got to keep warm. This gives you energy. I think it's got like jewels in it or something, hasn't it? No. What's it called? Kilojoules?
What?
Gives you energy, doesn't it?
What?
I like calories.
McDonald's. Lovely.
Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
That's it, finished. The porch is gone. We've gone up the step, which you just saw in the video clips just now. Thank you for watching this video. This is part 5, I think, part 6. Next step is we've got a builder coming in at the weekend to cut some holes out and put some walls about, and then next week we can do some stud partition walls and stuff like that, and it's going to start taking shape then. Click like, subscribe, and hopefully the next couple of videos you can start to see the place take shape, and you'll see exactly what we plan to do with the place. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Cheerio. Bye bye.